week asking, where are our votes? As the citizens. If the citizens don't do it, the youth, why is the youth failing to ask, where is our votes? Partly because if we won, by now the change would be very clear in South Africa. People will be employed, will be people that are indeed are trusted, will be people that are in charge. Why do we wait for something we don't know? Because rather than the coming elections, the past elections, that's why we must be making the biggest noise. Where are our votes? Now, thina ngeke sayisho lonto ngoba singamakhehla. Nina ntsha nithuleleni. The youth has a role to play in history. When the old organization, the ANC, was established, it was just people, old people. But that organization, because it was very clear about what we were doing, they established an organization within the organization of young people. It was that group of young people that pushed the revolution very far as the youth. Their coming brought a new kind of looking forward and fighting. It was this, it were those young people that they began to move all over the country organizing for the liberation of South Africa. And indeed, they started young. And when the change came from the British being in charge of the country to the Afrikaners said, a black person is a black person, was put in his place. And the youth said, no, we will do everything to ensure that we liberate. That call was made by the youth.